Hi, I'm Bruce, and welcome to another video. This time we're going to talk about the smoker. This is the most essential tool for the beekeeper. Keeps the bees calm. I use just a scrap of whatever's handy for a stopper. That puts the fire right out pretty quick once it's burning. And the smoker itself is a pretty simple machine. This one's about 3 years old and it's kind of beat up now, but it works great. This is about 3 years worth of creosote built up in the bottom of that thing. It's kind of funky. One of these days I'll clean it. That's not a big deal. But the smoker itself is just a can to put the fire in. It's got a wire basket around it so that it will keep you from burning your fingers on it and your hands. It's got the bellows. Now the bellows, there's a, see if I can get you to see this, there's a hole right down here in the bottom, and it's about an inch gap between the bellows and the smoker, the firebox itself. And so when you puff, it blows smoke in, blows air in there to fan the fire up. Now I'm doing this video because I know that there's been quite a lot of videos of lighting smokers, and you can find them all day on the internet, but I think there's a need for it. I saw somebody I thought was pretty good the other day really struggling to get one lit, and it's not that hard, not that big a deal. So I'm gonna go through it with you real fast. For one thing, here in Florida, we are blessed with all these pine needles, which is free smoker fuel, not fluid. It works great. So basically you just get a little bit, get it started if your lighter works. Now once it's burning pretty good, try not to burn yourself. Just tuck it on down into the smoker. I don't think I got it good. Maybe I did. You want to get that burning. You want to get that actually burning. Because there's a key to burning these things, and it's a key to keeping it lit for a long time. And the key is you got to have a bed of coals built up in the bottom of the smoker. So I'm just going to puff on that a little bit. Okay, now I see fire. That's what I want to see. So it's burning pretty good in there now. Get you a little bit more here. It's just raked up right out of my yard. That's the kind of smoke you want. Sorry if I'm putting you out of the picture here. I see a lot of people with those real tall, big smokers, and those cost a little bit more than these short ones. But in all actuality, these little short ones are pretty good. If I pack this correctly, this will burn for over an hour. I'll be able to do all my hives and it'll still be going strong. When I first started doing this, I thought, oh my gosh, I'm smothering it. You know, I'm smothering it down to where there's nothing left in here. But what you want to do is you want to pack that down tight. You want to pack that down to where you just can't get any more in it. Okay, that's pretty good there. Now put your lid on. That's one reason why I let the lid and the body separate, is because I like to pack it down good. Now, sometimes you see a little fire coming out the bottom there at the hole. And that's normal. That'll happen sometimes. You don't want to let it get out of hand. You got to be very careful with these smokers. You want to not just set them down in your car. Your car will catch on fire. Many a beekeeper, they have the pickup trucks. If you look in the back where if they fold the bed down, you'll see a ring there where the bottom of the smoker is set and kind of melted in the plastic. They're hot, they're dangerous. If you set them down outside, you can actually cause a forest fire with them. But having packed all this material in and got it lit the way I just showed you, the smoke is very nice and cool. Now that's important because you can actually have that smoke so hot that you'll scorch your bees, and that's not good for anybody. You'll burn their little wings off if it's too hot. But like this will last a long time, and this is how you do it. So I hope that helps a little bit, and when I'm done with it, I'm finished with it, I can just plug that up, and pretty quick it'll go out. All right, that's it. Have a great day now.